On the swaying palms, feel ocean breeze, barefoot on the sand, dancing with a cheese, laughter in the air. The stars begin to flow, together with our friends. Let the good times roll, we'll be grooving along, vibing strong, to the sound of the islands where we all belong. In the heart of the islands, where the sunlight glows, feel that rhythm rising, let your worries go. We're dancing through the night, let the good vibes flow, with the steel drums playing and the waves in tow. We'll be grooving along, vibing strong, to the sound of the islands where we all belong. As the sun sets low, painting skies in gold, swaying to the music, stories to be told. With every thrum of strings, hearts begin to soar. In this silent paradise, we can ask for more. We'll be moving along, vibing strong, to the rhythm of the islands where we all belong. Underneath the stars where the night feels right, our spirits take flight. Gather round the circle, let the laughter ring. In this island haven, hear the joy we bring. We'll be moving along, vibing strong, to the rhythm of the islands where we all belong. Underneath the stars where the night feels right,